welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw honey Pusheen, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started drawing in the jar of honey closer to the right. So in the center here we're going to draw in a straight line. For the ears we're going to bring this line up and out on the left, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's step up. On the top we're going to draw in a straight line that comes out on either side, and then we're going to flatten this out with a straight line. Now up above, right in the center, curving this up, arching that back down on the right. Let's focus on the middle here. We're going to curve this down, around, and then back up. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left, curving this around and in. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's come down in the center for the mouth. We're going to curve this down and out on both sides. Let's step out. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for that left eye. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now coming up on the inside edge, we're going to draw in another circle for that highlight. And then we'll just color in our eye black. Let's come over for the cheeks now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle, replicating that on the right. Let's continue to close off the body here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to round this out, curving this over, tucking this into the bottom. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, bringing this all the way down, tucking that in. Let's come down for the arms. We're going to round this out, curving this over and up. Replicating this on the right. Let's come down for the feet. So we're just going to arch this around and down, replicating that on the opposite side. Now let's draw on the word honey. So right in the middle here, we're just going to draw in the letter H. Moving across, let's draw in a circle for the letter O. In the middle, let's draw in another circle again. Now let's draw in the letter N. So we're going to curve this up, down, and through. And then we're going to round out the bottom edge following that, curving this around, up, and rounding that top edge out. Let's draw in the letter E. We're going to bring this line out, down, and through. We're going to round this out, down, in the middle, and one last time as we move down on the bottom. Let's draw on the letter Y. We're going to draw on the letter V, and then we're going to draw the letter Y. So we're going to round that out, curving that in on the top, and then we're going to flatten this out underneath, rounding that out. Lastly, let's just draw on the tail. So we're going to curve this line up, rounding that out, tucking that back in. Let's draw on the stripe. So we're going to curve this out on the right. Let's drop down, replicating that. And let's move through one more time. And that is it. That's how you draw honey Pusheen. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.